Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for August 16 to 31, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Okay, so let's see ano yung energy update for you, Leo, August 16 to 31, 2023. The High Priestess. There's an inner voice. Meron kayong gustong simulan gawin na siguro hindi pa kayo nagte-take action sa ngayon, but deep within you, you're hearing voice, no, na alam mong pinupush ka to do it. This can be related to your dream, to your destiny. Wow, you have the World card. May achievement for some of you. You're going to achieve something that will give you success. Rewards. And some of you are going to complete a project ngayong second half ng August. And the Wheel of Fortune is also a movement, no? Meron kang new direction na tatahakin after completing a cycle, no? So maaring may nag-e-end na chapter sa buhay mo and then something is opening up. Okay? You have the Ten of Wands. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, maaring pagod na sa current situation nyo. This can be sa relationship nyo or sa career ninyo and you feel like it's time to close that chapter in your life and move on, move forward to a new direction. You also have the Queen of Pentacles. Here you are focused in your money. Mas nagiging practical ka ngayon. Mas dedicated ka sa pagpapalago ng iyong finances, ng career mo. And you also have the Ten of Cups, happiness. Yung iba sa inyo may travel with your family. And yung iba, meron ding reunion with your family, especially sa yung mga kamag-anak nyo abroad. Ayan, dadalaw. It's either sila yung dadalaw sa inyo or kayo yung dadalaw sa kanila. There's prosperity and contentment. Oh, I also see someone na yung family nyo, kung meron kayong inaasikaso na migration sa ibang bansa or pwedeng local din, it is finally happening and you will find happiness in that place. Accumulate in times of plenty to ensure abundance in times of scarcity. So yes, mas mag-iipon talaga kayo ngayon, Leo. Queen of Pentacles is about your resources and you are accumulating plenty of your resources. Para in times of needs, meron kang magagamit, 'di ba? And take courage and the world will reward you with bounty. Ayan. Taking courage, taking a risk, lakasan mo lang yung loob mo sa mga plano mo, yung mga gusto mong subukan sa buhay, and the world is going to reward you with success. Bounty, no? Bounty is like bountiful, marami. Marami kang makukuhang rewards sa iyong mga ginagawa. So, as long as you are really working hard, you are, kumbaga yung ginagawa mong action is according or in alignment sa mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-fulfill. So, let's get messages para sa career. So, some of you will create a special space sa bahay ninyo para meron kayong panahon na mag-meditate, no? Mag-set ng mga intentions ninyo sa mga gusto nyong ma-achieve for August hanggang bago matapos yung August. And this is also connecting to your higher self, kung saan pwede kang makapagdasal. And you also have idealist. Sometimes, yung pagiging perfectionist, isa yan sa nagbablock sa inyo in achieving your goals. Kasi para siyang gusto mo everything should be perfect, pero pwede mo naman na siyang simulan na. So, this can be your project, your career, your business. And you are divinely guided. The spirit has your back. Okay? Your spirit guides are doing their job, their work in the background. Let's see what else sa inyong money, career, finances. 3 of Pentacles. Wow, this is growth. You are growing. You are enterprising. And you have a lot of talents and skills na madidiscover pa na kung saan pwede mong pagkakitaan. Yung iba, makikipag-collaborate kayo sa ibang tao to work. 6 of Swords. Yup, you are moving on, moving forward. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng difficult situation sa inyong mga katrabaho. Pero ngayon, nagmo-move on ka na. Yung iba, umalis na sa trabaho na yan to pursue other career. You have the 4 of Wands. Yes, you are focused on stability. Yes, financial stability, financial security, and also your home life. Yung iba, you are building your own house, your own enterprise, your own business. And this is giving you an opportunity to be more independent. So, mas magiging independent ka na, may freedom ka na rin. Yung iba, mag-acquire kayo ng bahay, property. So, sa love naman, may the snake na naman. Okay. The other woman, not enough. Lacking confidence. And the death card. Ooh, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Leo, merong nag-end na relationship because of a third-party situation. So, you don't deserve naman this person. Kung hindi ka niya pinapahalagahan because this person feels na you are not good enough, kaya siya naghanap ng iba, hindi mo din deserve yung ganong klaseng tao. So, some of you has already accepted the fact na-accept nyo na yan, and you are ending this relationship, and you are starting all over again to focus on your career. Queen of Cups, you have a lot of love to give. 10 of Swords, medyo stressful yung situation nyo talaga, no? Page of Cups. But I also see you na maaring merong ibang magpaparamdam sa inyo romantically, no? Oo. May may iba pong nagkakagusto pa sa inyo eh. So, kaya siguro in-end na yung previous relationship nyo is to give way to a new person that is coming into your life. Oh. So, tinan natin yung message ng mga may relationship dyan. I wish I had treated you better. Oh, nagsisisi na tong person mo. I replay our conversations over and over. I am not available. Okay. So, it seems na aware itong person na to sa mga kalokohang ginawa niya sa'yo. So, may pagsisisi siya, pero wala na siya magagawa. Kasi, it seems na itong energy mo ay you are not available for this person anymore. You realize na, no, hindi, no chance na. Out of the woods, you've made it through. What newness is emerging? Wow. So, you made it through. Yung mga may pinagdaanang challenges dyan, tapos na. Okay? Ano na daw yung bago na sisimulan ninyo? 'Di ba? So, something new, something exciting is going to happen. Can be sa career or sa love life ninyo. And numerology, number 10 is number 1. New beginning. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.